Want to see me catch this almond in my mouth? 1, 2, 3. I did it on my first try. I did a beach makeup look. This look was actually requested by my bestie Kaylee, so thank you, Kaylee. I hope you liked the look and please try it. Mwah. Love you. I hope you guys like it, and let's get started with the makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna do is the crease color. This brush, it's like a really fluffy big blending brush, and I actually ordered this brush in like a kit on Amazon. It was like a rose gold makeup brush kit, so I don't really know what brand it is. So I'm taking my Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar, I think the name of it is, and I'm taking Hide and Seek right here, and I'm gonna put that all up in my crease. So since this is like a beach look, I thought the best palette I could use is my mermaid one. And okay, I'm excited. So taking this flat shader brush, which is also a mermaid. Ready? That's a mermaid right there too. See what I did there? I'm taking Lagoon and I'm putting that on my brush. And I'm gonna start from the outer V of the lid. And just keeping it there. Like, don't bring it in too much. Also, blend it. Blend the edges so it's not... Blend the edges so it's not too harsh. The next color we're gonna put is Splash. See it? Okay. What brush am I gonna use? I'm taking my Naked 3 brush that came in like my Naked 3 palette, you know, and put it right in the middle of my lid. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, do you see how pretty? I'm gonna take Mimosa. And I'm just gonna flip the brush around and put it right here. Sandbar from this palette. So if you really want to recreate this look, I just recommend you get this palette because not only is it amazing, I use almost every color from here, and it smells like vanilla. Oh, it's so good. Every mermaid needs that palette. Every mermaid. I'm taking that color and just putting it in the entire crease all the way around in windshield wiping motions, just to pull all the colors, make it a nice transition. For highlight, I'm taking my favorite color from this palette. It is so sparkly. It's called Nude Beach, and it just, I don't know, it's just so like creamy. I don't know, like the entire consistency of it is just so pretty. On my inner corners, like a cranberry color, and it's sparkly. I'm taking it on this like eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. This is a really old brush. And I'm just gonna get it on like the tip of the brush, and then I wipe it like this so that it's only on like the tip, and I'm putting that on my under eye, my lower lash line. I'm also gonna line my upper lash line just to give it some dimension. So I'm taking like my flat angled brush because I'm not good at liquid liner. Lash line. And I'm not gonna wing it out. For mascara, I'm taking my Superhero mascara. It's called Superhero. And I'm gonna put that on my upper and bottom eyelashes. My upper lash line, I'm gonna line it with black eyeliner. And this is Almay's Intense Eye Color. It's like eye color, like the letter I, and then color. Ow. And then, as usual, I'm lining the bottom waterline, lash line, waterline, whatever. I should know what that's called. Since this is like a beach look, I think it's appropriate that we bronze our face. We're taking my favorite bronzer ever, and that is my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And if you're wondering why it's my favorite, it's because it smells like hot chocolate. Like, seriously? Who wouldn't want to smell like hot chocolate? My cheeks smell like hot chocolate. Another mermaid brush. This is like a blush bronzer brush. I love it a lot. And we're gonna bronze our face. I'm gonna take another one of my mermaid brushes, but this one's like a smaller one. Like, this is the one that I used for the bronzer, and this is the one I used for that I'm gonna use for blush. Like a Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm taking this hot pink blush, only a little bit. Same palette, I'm gonna take Prosecco Pop, which is the highlight color. A highlight brush that I have that's also from the Rose Gold collection. Get that on there. So I'm gonna do a lip gloss. So I'm taking my Marshmallow lip gloss from Bath and Body Works because it has like gold specks in it, and I feel like it goes with the gold in my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna put that on my lips, and it also tastes like marshmallows, so it's lit. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Mwah. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Even though it's called beach makeup look, I'm not saying like this is what you should wear when you go to a beach, because I wouldn't even wear makeup, but it's like inspired by a beach. Kind of looks like the sand and the ocean. If you try it, please let me know, send me a picture, and if you have any requests for a makeup look that you want me to do, let me know.